In this video we will talk about what is Ripple, the pros of investing in Ripple, the cons of investing in Ripple. So is Ripple, XRP, a good investment? So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome to a new video from Cryptoers1, the YouTube channel where you can find all the news about crypto, NFT and blockchain. Every day a new video, follow us not to miss the news. Ripple just might be the missing piece of your investment portfolio. In this article, we look at why you might consider investing in Ripple, the pros and cons, and what exactly to look for. Before investing in Ripple, you must understand what it is that you're getting into. Investing in Ripple with no prior knowledge increases your chances of making losses. Firstly, Ripple isn't your average cryptocurrency. Instead, it offers something entirely different from every other type of digital currency. Ripple, unlike Bitcoin or Litecoin, is an entirely new kind of payment protocol intended to streamline international and cross-border payments around the world. And while this presents a solid investment opportunity, you must know what Ripple is, what it does, and any potential red flags to look out for as a speculator. No investment is perfect after all. If you want to buy or invest in Ripple XRP quickly and easily, with 0% commission, check out eToro Exchange. What is Ripple? Ripple is a technology that acts as a cryptocurrency, XRP, and a digital payment network for financial transactions. It was co-founded by computer programmers Chris Larson and Jed McCaleb and released in 2012, though their US-based company, Ripple Labs Inc. The idea behind Ripple is to simplify how financial payments are made. Typically, the systems that process financial payments are often overly complicated and fragmented. And this often results in costly payments, long waiting times, and the added element of unreliability. Ripple offers an alternative platform that can facilitate cross-border payments, which are 100% secure, instant, and practically free. Moreover, Ripple can facilitate payments in every type of money, including cryptocurrencies. Ready to invest in Ripple? So, to help you make an informed decision about your next market move, here are the pros and cons of investing in Ripple. The pros of investing in Ripple. What are the benefits of investing in Ripple? Lots of crypto analysts and speculators think Ripple has a big future, making it an attractive option for new and established traders. So here's a quick look at why XRP is a good investment. 1. It's affordable. Ripple is cheap compared to its previous high level in 2018. You can pick up a serious amount of Ripple for less than a few $100s, while even a smallish punt of $50 would get you more than 65 coins. Ripple hit an all-time high of above $3.10 in 2018, but some market analysts believe it will push beyond the $1,000 barrier within the next 10 years. Other predictions are far more optimistic. 2. It solves problems and creates opportunities. Ripple solves problems for large financial institutions. It also speeds up the flow of capital, which is excellent for the economy. But Ripple could work for small business owners too. If it becomes widely adopted, the Ripple platform will provide millions of sole traders and entrepreneurs with access to the global economy. 3. Market cap of Ripple. With a market cap of approximately $35 billion, Ripple is the world's 8th biggest cryptocurrency. A large market cap is a strong sign of investor confidence and makes the asset more resistant to volatile market cycles or dips. 4. Ripple isn't just another cryptocurrency. Ripple is more than a cryptocurrency or technology, it's a fully fledged company. Ripple Labs Inc. has over 500 full-time employees, including public relations and marketing specialists who promote the technology to banks, investors, new users, and the public. 5. Partnerships and investors. Ripple has perhaps the best backing by financial institutions out of the entire cryptocurrency market. In some circles, it's more like than Bitcoin. Their first major banking partner to use the Ripple payment protocol was German bank Fidor in May 2014, according to Pete Rizzo of CoinDesk. Today, some of their biggest partners include American Express, Santander, and MoneyGram, as mentioned earlier. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. 6. Moving into CBDCs. CBDCs are central bank digital currencies, and in March 2021, Ripple announced that they are piloting the creation of private ledgers based on the public XRP Ledger. They claim that it can handle tens of thousands of transactions per second and has the potential to reach hundreds of thousands of transactions per second. It is quite likely that in the future there will be more private endeavors like this. It is also quite possible that many future banks and financial institutions could use a private version of the XRP Ledger. 7. XRP is recovering from SEC case. XRP is right in the middle of recovering from the lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Back in December 2020, the SEC sued Ripple for selling $1.3 billion worth of XRP tokens illegally, claiming that they were actually securities, not cryptocurrency. The XRP lawsuit resulted in Ripple's price crashing to new lows, right at the moment most other cryptos were surging. The cons of investing in Ripple. Like any investment, putting your money into Ripple isn't risk-free. So here's what you should know about the risks of investing in Ripple. 1. There won't be any more new Ripple. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, and while the amount of Ethereum is limitless, the production will slow down over time. This limited supply could push up demand in the future, leading to big price increases and bigger profits for early investors. Ripple is different. All the XRP coins are pre-mined and already in circulation. 2. Ripple owns a massive share of XRP. Ripple chairman Chris Larsen owns around a third of all XRP. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse also holds a significant amount, as do other senior board members. With so much XRP concentrated in just a few hands, there's a chance the price may be overinflated. 3. It's not decentralized. For blockchain purists, XRP isn't a real cryptocurrency. Many argue that it goes against the principles of decentralization and economic autonomy. Unlike Bitcoin, which is mined and then exchanged anonymously between users, Ripple was specially designed for the banking and finance industry. Its primary purpose is to solve issues within the banking industry, rather than revolutionize the way ordinary people exchange or store value. 4. Allocation of altcoins. Unlike Ethereum and Bitcoin, all of Ripple's XRP coinage is premined, meaning that no more coins will be released to the market. This has resulted in its developers owning a substantial percentage of them. Ripple chairman, Chris Larsen, currently holds almost a third of all XRP, which is a concern, as it runs counter to the idea of decentralization, which is core to the cryptocurrency philosophy. 5. Strong rivalry. Ripple's biggest rival is SWIFT, currently the largest international payment network and the preferred choice of some 11,000 financial institutions. Ripple will need to convince the notoriously luddites banking sector that its payment protocols offer a better, quicker, and safer solution than SWIFT. 6. SEC case is still ongoing. Though we mentioned above that things are starting to look good with Ripple's SEC case, there is still a risk that Ripple could lose. It hangs over Ripple like a gray cloud. The SEC, likely under political pressure, may want to make an example out of Ripple, which could lead them to take up unfair tactics. 7. Ripple and XRP are not the same thing. As you've probably noticed, people often use Ripple and XRP interchangeably, but there is a very important difference you need to know about. Ripple, the company, offers a variety of different blockchain services to its partners, but actually, most of these blockchain services do not involve the XRP token. So is Ripple. XRP, a good investment. Most investments come down to the risk vs reward factor. In other words, do the potential rewards outweigh the possible consequences of the risks? Ripple certainly has some risk factors. The founders hold a large number of coins. It's still a long way from challenging its main market rival, and it's not the most popular technology for blockchain purists. On the other, Ripple is becoming more and more mainstream and has the backing of some major financial institutions. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.